Where are you in this moment? Truly, where are you? Are you caught in a whirlwind, feeling lost and overwhelmed by forces seemingly beyond your control? Or do you stand firmly rooted, centered, and at peace within yourself? The truth is, we all experience both the chaos and the calm. But the power lies in learning to navigate the storms and consciously choose the serenity, even when it feels impossibly distant. This video is your roadmap. We'll be following a proven path, a structured outline to help you disappear from the life that's holding you back, rebuild yourself intentionally, and return stronger than ever before. Our first point, and arguably the most crucial, is conquering your inner thief. That voice in your head, the one filled with self-doubt, fear, and negativity, it's robbing you of your potential. It whispers lies, telling you you're not good enough, that you'll fail. We need to recognize this voice for what it is, a saboteur. You have the power to silence it. You have the power to choose empowering thoughts, to focus on your strengths, to believe in your ability to overcome. Point number 2, hard work is essential. There are no shortcuts. Forget the overnight success stories. They're the exception, not the rule. The path to any worthwhile goal is paved with consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to put in the hours, even when you're tired, even when you're discouraged. Embrace the grind. It's where the real transformation happens. Our outline guides us next to embracing change and discomfort. Change is hard. It's uncomfortable. It forces us to confront our limitations, but staying stuck in a situation that no longer serves you is even harder. Growth requires stepping outside your comfort zone, facing your fears, and embracing the unknown. Point 4, take responsibility. Stop blaming external factors for your circumstances. Stop waiting for someone else to rescue you or give you permission to succeed. You are the creator of your own experience. You have the power to choose your responses, to shape your destiny. This is about radical ownership of your life. Next, our outline emphasizes maintaining high standards. These aren't fleeting aspirations. They're your non-negotiables, the values you refuse to compromise, the commitments you make to yourself, regardless of how you feel in the moment. These standards are your anchor in the storm. Let's talk about motivation. Our outline reminds us that motivation isn't a magical feeling. It's a skill. It's about acknowledging self-doubt, feeling the fear, and acting anyway. It's about training yourself to consistently choose actions that align with your goals, even when your emotions are pulling you in the opposite direction. Self-reflection is crucial, as point 7 in our outline highlights. Analyze your own behavior as critically as you would analyze others. Where are you holding yourself back? What patterns are repeating themselves? Be honest with yourself. This isn't about self-flagellation. It's about self-awareness, the foundation for growth. Life is a hero's journey filled with inevitable challenges. Our outline reminds us of this. These challenges aren't punishments. They're opportunities for growth, for proving your resilience, for discovering your inner strength. Persistence and an unwavering desire to be better are your greatest allies. Our outline now addresses regret and guilt. Balanced regret, learning from past mistakes without dwelling on them, is healthy. Unbalanced guilt, however, is a destructive force. It keeps you trapped in the past, preventing you from moving forward. Acknowledge your errors, forgive yourself, and use those lessons to build a better future. Create a clear vision for your future. What does your ideal self look like? What are your goals? Write them down. Make them tangible. Then, and this is critical, put relentless persistence behind that vision. Don't just dream it. Do it. Don't get overwhelmed by the magnitude of your goals. Our outline encourages us to take one step at a time. Focus on what you can do right now. What's the next small action you can take? That's all that matters in this moment. Life will throw storms your way. You can't control that. But as our outline point on resilience emphasizes, you can control your response. Choose to be the tree that bends but doesn't break. Choose to get back up every single time. The journey to becoming your ideal self is about finding meaning, not just in the destination, but in the process. What are you passionate about? What gives your life purpose? Embrace that. Pursue it relentlessly. Our outline also addresses healing, heartbreak, wounds, betrayals. They're part of life, but they don't have to define you. Choose to heal. Choose to turn your pain into strength, your scars into symbols of resilience. Stop making excuses. Stop blaming others. Take radical ownership of your outcomes. This is the core message of point 15 in our outline. Recognize that excuses are roadblocks to your growth. Finally, our outline reminds us that growth often happens in silence, in the moments when no one is watching. And if you find yourself self-sabotaging, understand why. Is it fear? Unworthiness? Address the root cause. Build a positive relationship with yourself based on self-compassion, self-belief, and a commitment to breaking free from destructive patterns. This outline, these 16 points, they're not just words on a page. They're a call to action, a roadmap to transformation. Disappear from the life that's holding you back. Rebuild yourself brick by brick. Return stronger, more resilient, more alive than ever before. The journey begins now.